Now, several parts of Paris have come to a standstill as river Seine continues to swell. Now, quayside commerce and infrastructure have been severely affected, and the situation is expected to deteriorate further as the rising river water is expected to reach 6 meters over the course of the next 2 days. Now, as of Friday, the water levels were measured at 5.63 meters at the Austerlitz Bridge. 6 metro services have also been suspended for a few days, and the world-famous Louvre Museum has closed its lower level as a part of its emergency protocol till at least Sunday. So far, 400 people have been evacuated from their homes in the French capital and also in the surrounding areas, and rescue operations continue to aid victims who have been hit by this sudden flooding.